Hey everybody. So here's your problem of the week, the formula and some of the details of it. I wanted to walk you through an example that's similar but with different numbers so that I don't mess anything up. And this isn't the whole problem of the week. I'm just trying to demonstrate how to use the calculator part because that's the part students have a lot of trouble with. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to be able to find out how much interest we owe by using this formula. So interest is I. The principal is like the starting amount of a loan, so that's $150,000. The rate, for mine, I'm using 3% interest. Just make sure to use that as a decimal. And look, time is in the superscript position. That means time is going to be an exponent. And I'll show you how to calculate that nice and easily with an online calculator in just a second, okay? But do not plug in 30 days or 31 days in for time because with this formula, time has to be in terms of years. So to find out how many the equivalent in years of 31 days, let's divide it by the number of days in a year. And that will tell us the fraction of the year we're working with. So if we do that, that's whoa, too big of a calculator, 0.084. You can round off at some point. You can even use 0.08 just to keep things simple because we're not, actually calculating somebody's interest in a certain problem. That's what needs to go in for time, not the actual days, but the days when they're converted into years. And then the formula says subtract by P again, so subtract by 150,000. So this is what I want to find. I want to calculate. Okay, this is an exponent. In case you're not sure of how to use an exponent in a calculator, go ahead and go to Google and just type in Desmos Scientific Calculator. I can't spell when I'm talking. And the first one that comes up, that's a free calculator made by Desmos. And then all you have to do is type in everything except for the I part, okay? So type in the 100, for mine it was 150,000, 1 plus 0.03. And then to get the exponent that we need, you could click this button. Or, here, let me back out. Or you could hold Shift and press the 6 key on your keyboard, and you'll see it pops you up into the superscript. Now you got to get down from the superscript to keep working on the problem, so click off to the side or use your right arrow key to get back down to level ground to get out of the exponent position. So you can type it in and check it out on the right side of the screen. For this person, which is different than your problem, it's $355.13 in interest. Okay, so interest is $355.13 in interest. And so for your problem, that's how you calculate interest. But to find out how much goes to the principal, you would take the monthly payment, subtract out that interest, but also you have to subtract out the, I think it's $240 for taxes and insurance. Whatever's left over after both of those things are taken out, that's how much money gets to go to your principal. So a measly $304.87 goes towards what we owe. The rest goes to interest and all that other stuff.